typically post stuff like this. Just got this, looks like a Sofirn flashlight right there. So, I don't know. Let's open it up. Nice little, very presentable actually. Okay, so this can be, it's rechargeable, can be put on your hat there, or it can be put, you can clip it in your pocket. Alright, so off the bat, the flashlight does not turn on. Okay, so it does have a battery thing on there. So get that removed. Well, that's a pretty stout battery. I've never seen a company that builds a flashlight. Okay, this is Sofirn SR23. Okay, never seen a company that builds a flashlight that has its own company name on the battery. That's sweet. I like that. Get this turned up. Okay. Oh, wow, that's, holy cow. Okay, so, all right, let me turn the lights off. Okay, that's pretty good. So it's just on, off. That's blue light. Oh man. Wow. Okay, that's sweet. I don't really need blue light for anything. Okay guys, so this is the flashlight right here. It has a lot of different functions. We've got the UV function. This is the UV function. You can't really see it that well. I don't use the UV, so that's not something I use in my garage. But I do use the flashlight, and it has a lot of functions like dimming and really bright. And it does have the SOS, the flashing for emergency, just like this. Anyway, so we get a lot of products, a lot of emails about products. I don't really respond to them, but a lot of products aren't really worth the review. I would have to give this flashlight right here. I've used the crap out of it. Under cars, oil, grease, throwing it on the ground, picking it up, and it's still working. And the battery is holding up just fine. So I'm not a huge USB-C fan, but I do like that I can just plug this in using my iPhone chargers. Actually, what I've been charging it with, and it's been working really great. Just charges it up great. The light is great. No issues. Really helps a lot to get into all the little cracks under a car. It does have a magnetic part on it where I can just mount it on a frame or something. Really a good tool to add to my toolbox. If you don't have a flashlight, think about getting one of these, just throwing it in your toolbox, using it when you need to. I would honestly rate this one probably an 8 out of 10. Okay, that's what I would rate it at. The reason is I don't like that this can't focus. because if it can focus, then you could have a straight beam towards whatever you want to light up. I do like the teeth because if it does fall, it's kind of a protective thing. I did like the battery actually. Most flashlights that you're gonna get, they're gonna come with a battery, but the battery is not gonna be, you know, branded. This one is branded to this company. It's Sofirn, Sofirn, which is, I think that's really cool. Anyway, yeah, let me click the light and I'll just show you how good it is in a really dark room. All right, so right now what you're looking at is the light, okay? I'm gonna make it dim. That's dim, so that way you can have low light, save energy, okay? It works, there's just not a lot of it. This is really bright. This is the strobe, okay? It really hurts your eyes, which is kind of good. And then this is the UV, okay? So yeah, the UV is kind of dim, but like when you shine it at something, it will light up. So, which I don't think you guys can even see the UV. So, anyway, I use it mostly for the flashlight, which is the lighting is really great, like really, really great. Does awesome. So I like that. Anyway, overall, definitely would buy one of these. It's a good unit. So that's the review on this flashlight. We'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.